Right arm across your chest.
So every morning at 7 o'clock, all the McCarthy staff, as well as all the trade partners on site, come together.
Trunk twist.
We all do a stretch and flex together.
All right.
And then we break away from there, and everybody goes into their specific trades, and they do a THA, which is a task hazard analysis.
4 of them that were done, I guess.
They talk about differing site conditions, what the tasks are that they're working on that day, what the hazards are associated with those tasks, and how they're going to mitigate it to make sure that they don't get hurt. It's all about getting started off on the right foot, making sure that safety is at the forefront of everybody's mind.
My name's Kyle Funt. I'm the safety manager for the project site, and I am responsible for the overall implementation and execution of our safety program. Right now, with the excavation, that's the first step in the project, we're obviously working on top of a fallen building, the old Queenie Tower. So there's a lot of rubble that we're working with. So dust generation is something that we're constantly taking a look at and combating each and every day. So integrating wet methods into our activities on the drilling and just keeping the site wetted down is something that we do to knock the dust down to avoid the intake of that dust on the project site.
Currently, most of the work is being done outside, but what we're doing is there's monitors all over the place with pre-established levels. If the dust exceeds those levels, then the work is stopped until we can get the dust back down again. My name is Loie Couch. I am a registered nurse. I deal with construction, renovation, repairs, and basically to make sure that whatever project happens that has any impact within or around our buildings is not going to impact our patients. So I want to make sure that whatever they're doing, they can do their job, but not put our patients at risk.
We're here to work with the contractors to make sure that they have everything they need to help provide a safe site for their employees.
We're always talking about the hospital first. We talk about it from day one when everyone goes through orientation, making sure everyone understands they are on an active hospital campus and all the hazards associated with that. Understanding that there's patients, visitors coming here to visit maybe their loved ones in the hospital and they may not be in the right state of mind. So making sure that we're watching out for them because they may not be watching out for us. So putting them first is our goal.
Hold that up for me, Karen. Well, go ahead.
Something that adds a lot of value to the project with all the traffic flow is having dedicated tradespeople flagging the traffic, handling all the deliveries as they come into the project, helping eliminate any risk and potential impacts with the public as everybody's coming in and out of here.
So I try to make sure before I step out, I see a car coming, I throw the sign out first.
Just on the other side of those walls, there's very critical things happening to members of the community. There are services being provided, and we just need to make sure that we can take care of our environment out here so it doesn't negatively impact the environment in there.